Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the real-time market data in Tradingview in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. When you are here on this particular page, make sure that you sign in first in order to access all of the options. Now here on the top, you will see this products tab. When you hover over to it, it is going to show you the list of all the other options that are available in it. So among these options, you just have to simply click on the last one, which is called market data. After clicking on the option of the market data, you will be landed here on this particular page that says markets, all of them. So here on this particular page, simply scroll down, and here when you scroll down, you will see a section that lists different types of exchanges and data sources. So it will show you which markets offer the real-time data and what the actual pricing for it. Now, if you want to see more options, you can just simply scroll down, and here you can click on the option of the show all. Now it is going to display the full list to you. Now when you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the option that says something like subscribe to the real market. So here, if you just scroll down, you will find it here in the bottom. So this is what I'm talking about. So when you click on this particular option, it is going to ask you to choose your subscription. So here you can choose your subscription from this particular list, whether it is monthly or yearly you want to subscribe for. After that, you just have to simply conclude your payment. But here is also an important part that most of the people don't realize. Like, you might not even need to pay TradingView for the real-time market data if your broker is already basically connected to TradingView, and if it provides you the real-time data. So here, in order to connect your broker, simply click on the option of super charts here in the products. Afterwards, you will see this type of chart in front of you. So here, after clicking on the trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner, it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can connect with your TradingView account. So here you need to select your broker, then connect your account with it. If it allows you the real-time data option, you don't need to subscribe for TradingView, and you will be able to get access it very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.